Hi, hello my dear students. How are you all? Heartily welcome to the online class. So, today's class is about 7th standard English. We are going in a subject topic, class 7th standard English. Lesson name is, lesson number 1, a tiger in the house. What is a tiger, children? Tiger is a wild animal, no? How can it be in a house? If it is a pet animal, we can rear and we can keep as a pet. But it is a wild animal. It cannot be tamed and kept in home. So, regarding this only, we are going to see in this lesson. Look at this picture. A forest guard is holding a pair of cheetahs cubs in his hands. A forest guard is holding a pair of cheetahs cubs. Cheetahs, little babies, holding in a hand. You can see in the picture, children. So what he want to do? He is taking those cubs to veterinarian hospital, means the hospital which will be treating for animals. Animal hospital. Okay, children? The doctor will tell their age and the state of their health. See, the doctor will check in deeply and he will give the report about those age and state of health. Perhaps he will also tell them whether they are cheetahs or leopards. Later on, he is going to say that they are leopard cubs or cheetah cubs. Do you know, in olden days, people trained cheetahs to hunt deer. Yes, children, do you know this? In olden days, people are training cheetahs to hunt deer. But what will happen to those poor cubs now? What will the forest department do in a case like this? What will happen if they are small puppies? They cannot hunt for a livelihood. In this case, what you want to do? So, we will get into the lesson. Timothy, the tiger cub. Timothy was the name of a tiger cub. Cub means baby children. Was discovered by grandfather on a hunting expedition in the Terai jungle near Dehra. Grandfather discovered this Timothy the tiger cub. Okay? Timothy. It is a tiger cub. Tiger cub. It is found in what? Terai jungle. Terai jungle near Dehra. He went for hunting expedition. So there he found this cub. So what happened? At the first, the tiger cub, who was named Timothy by grandmother, was brought up entirely on a milk given to him in a feeding bottle by the cook Mahmood. Mahmood was the name of a cook. But the milk proved too rich for him and he was put on a diet on raw mutton and cod liver oil, to be followed later by a more tempting diet of pigeons and rabbits. Later on, as it began to grow, it is been feeding on, what is that? Raw mutton and cod liver oil. Later, it was a very tempting and delightful diet for the Timothy, the lion cub. Timothy was provided with two companions. Two friends. Who are they? Toto the monkey, who was bold enough to pull the young tiger by the tail. It used to pull its tail always and it wants to play with it. And then climb up the curtains if Timothy lost his temper. If Timothy got anger, even though it used to trouble it. And a small mongrel puppy. Mongrel means baby of a dog which parents were of different breeds. Okay, children? Found on the road by grandfather. Both were found on a road. So, grandfather brought and made the company of three. Who are the three? Timothy, the Toto monkey and the mongrel puppy. Okay? At first, Timothy appeared to be quite afraid of the puppy. At the first, Timothy is getting afraid and he kept quiet. Why? And darted back with a spring. If it come too near, he would make absurd. Absurd means a sudden quietness, funny movement. Dashes as it with his large forepaws. Forepaws means leg will be there, no? Legs, sharp nails. And then retreat to a ridiculously safe distance. Finally, he allowed the puppy to crawl on his back and rest there. After that, what as the days pass on, they become very close friends and they allowed each one to climb and play in a funny way. Once of Timothy's favorite amusement means entertainment, was to stalk. Stalk means slow walking slowly. Anyone who would play with him asked and so when I came to live with grandfather, I became one of the tiger's favorite. With a crafty look. Crafty look means deceitful look. Crafty look, deceitful look. Crafty look in his glittering eyes. The eyes were glittering like lights, big lights. And his body crouching. He would creep closer and closer to me, suddenly making a dash for my feet, rolling over on his back and kicking with delight. In this way, they are getting a very happiness. And pretending to bite my ankles. And acting like biting his ankles also. He was by this time the size of a full-grown retriever. Retriever means middle-sized hunting dog. Retriever. What is it, retriever? Middle-sized hunting dog. Fully grown like this. And when I took him out of a walk, people on the road would give us a wide berth. When they are going for a walk, people are looking at them in a strange look. How can one take a cub to a walk? Tiger cub. Is it possible for everyone? No. The grandfather is very bold and he wants to take that cub for a everyday walking. When he pulled hard on his chain, I had difficulty to keeping up with him because sometimes it used to pull grandfather also because he has become now fully strong now, so he cannot able to control it. His favorite place in the house was the drawing room. His favorite room is in-house drawing room. And he would make himself comfortable on the long sofa. Always used to sleep on the long sofa, reclining there with great dignity. So always it used to take rest on the sofa by showing in a dignified way and slaring at anybody who tried to get him off. Always he is looking in a strange look at anyone. If somebody comes under anybody, he will get him off. In this way only it used to sleep on the sofa and watch everyone. Timothy had clean habits and would scrub his face with his paws exactly like a cat. Timothy is a very clean habited cub. It used to scrub his face with his paw. As we can see, suppose you see a cat used to do like this only. Exactly like a cat. He slept at night in the cook's quarters. In the night, it used to sleep in the cook's quarters, cook's house, and was always delighted at being let out by him in the morning. It is very much happy when in the morning it used to live outside. One day grandmother declared in a prophetic manner, in a very holy manner. We are going to find Timothy sitting on Mammu's bed. So, and no sign of the cook. No sign means the cook is not seeing anywhere, only his clothes and shoes were there. Of course, it never came to that, but when Timothy was about 6 months old, a change came over him. He grew steadily less friendly. So, what happened? After the days went on like this only. 6 months passed and fully that Timothy became fully grown tiger now. He is becoming less closely with others and grew steadily, becoming stronger and stronger. When out for a walk with me, he would try to steal away to stalk a cat or someone's pet Pekingese. When grandfather is taking it for outside walks, he wants to catch somebody's cat or pet animals. Sometimes at night we would hear frenzied, disturbed crackling from the poultry house. Poultry house means, poultry means where animals will be, poultry means cows, hens, they will be rearing. In poultries, some types of sounds will be producing. And in the morning there would be feathers lying all over the veranda. In the morning we can find feathers will be lying in the veranda. It means it used to catch those and it is eating. Timothy had to be chained up more often, and finally when he began to stalk Mammus about the house with what looked like villainous intent. So what happened? Now it is not like that. Before what it used to be, it is fully grown and it wants to eat up small animals, and outside it want to be. Grandfather decided it to time to transfer him to a zoo. Now it has become very far, so grandfather decided to leave this tiger in a zoo. The nearest zoo was at Lucknow. Where it was? At Lucknow. 200 miles away. That place is 200 miles away from that where the Timothy was living. Reserving a first class compartment for himself and Timothy. No one would share a compartment with them. So they made a reservation in a compartment so that nobody should not be there. No, they are familiar with the tiger, but people may get afraid. No, so what they planned, they reserved a compartment and where they both only were traveling. Timothy, no one would share a compartment with them. Grandfather took him to Lucknow, where the zoo authorities were only too glad to receive as a gift a well-fed and fairly civilized tiger. So after a journey, they went and met the zoo authorities, where they felt very happy by seeing this fair and well-civilized tiger. About 6 months later, when my grandparents were visiting relatives in Lucknow, grandfather took the opportunity of calling at the zoo to see how Timothy was getting on. After that, he left the tiger in the zoo and grandfather came back to his place. After 6 months again, he was to visit about his relatives in Lucknow. Grandfather want to meet Timothy, and at the same time he get a chance to meet Timothy by calling the zoo people. I was not there to accompany him, but I heard all about it when he returned to Dehra. Arriving at the zoo, grandfather made straight for the particular cage in which Timothy had been interned. So what happened? After reaching to the zoo, grandfather straight away went to the cage where Timothy kept. The tiger was there, crouched in a corner, full grown and with a magnificent striped coat. The tiger was fully grown and it is looking like a big fierce tiger. The tiger approached the bars and allowed grandfather to put both hands around his head. Grandfather stroked the tiger's forehead and licked his ears, and wherever he growled, snapped him across the mouth, which was his old way of keeping him quiet. You can see in the picture, the tiger is kept in the cage and it is calling the grandfather to give his hands and allowing to put his hands around its neck. You can see, children. So it is asking grandfather to give his hands and put around his neck. He licked grandfather's hands and only sprang away when a leopard in the next cage snarled at him. He is asking grandfather to come closer. When beside cage, a leopard is shouting in a roar voice. So then only it got away. It got away from that moment, and the grandfather shooed the leopard away, and the tiger returned to lick his hands. What happened? The tiger began to lick his hands, but every now and then the leopard would rush at the bars and the tiger would slink back to his corner. See, we can see this situation in the zoo, children. Have you ever been to the zoo? In the zoo, wild animals will be keeping in that cages. We can see this type of situations. A number of people had gathered to watch the reunion when a keeper pushed his way though the crowd and asked grandfather what he was doing. A number of people had gathered there, so they don't know what is going on there. Everyone is getting scared of wild animals now. So how could it be happen like this? Everyone is getting surprised. Ask the grandfather what he was doing. So they are asking in a surprise. So how could you do? They don't know about that relationship, no? So they are asking. I am asking to Timothy, said grandfather. Weren't you here when I gave him to the zoo 6 months ago? So he asked, when I hand over this tiger in the zoo, you are not there? You don't know, you are not familiar with this incident? He is asking. I haven't been here very long, said the surprised keeper. The keeper said in surprising, no, I was not there for 6 months. I don't know about this matter. He is saying, please continue your conversation, but I have never been able to touch him myself. So you can continue, you can carry on your conversation. But I am getting fear of that animal and I don't want to go near to it, he said. He is always very bad tempered. He is in a very bad temper always. So I don't want to go closer to him. Why don't you put him somewhere else? Suggested grandfather. Grandfather is asking, no, because of this leopard, he is also getting like this. So why can't you keep away from this leopard's cage, beside to this leopard's cage? He is questioning. The leopard keeps frightening him. The leopard is getting frightening him. I will go and see the superintendent about this. I will go and meet the superintendent and discuss about this matter. Grandfather went in search of a superintendent of the zoo, but found he had gone home early. So what happened? Grandfather went in search of looking. He want to speak with the superintendent, no, zoo superintendent. So he went and see there, but he did not found that man because he already went home. So what happened? And so after wandering about the zoo for a little while, he want to have a look around the zoo. After spending some time, he returned to Timothy's cage to say goodbye. Again he come back to Timothy's cage and said goodbye. It was beginning to get dark. Already it is dark and it is time to close the zoo also. So he said goodbye to Timothy and came back. He had been stroking and slapping Timothy for about 5 minutes when he found another keeper observing him with some alarm. So what happened? When he was playing with the Timothy, no, someone is watching there, over there in the zoo. Another keeper is observing all these things. Grandfather recognized him as the keeper who had been there when Timothy had first come to the zoo. The grandfather identified that man, and when I came to leave Timothy before 6 months, I found that man. He identified and You want to speak with that man. You remember me, said grandfather. Grandfather went closer to him and asked, did you got me? He asked. Now, why don't you transfer Timothy to another cage away from this stupid leopard? Again he questioned, why don't you keep somewhere else instead of beside this stupid leopard? But sir, stammered means exclaimed in a confusing voice, the keeper, it is not your tiger. He said, sir, it is not your tiger. Why are you worrying so much about this tiger? It is not yours, he is saying. I know, said grandfather testily. I realized he is no longer mine, but you might at least take a suggestion or two from me. I know that it is not my tiger. He knew that. How could he know? Later we can know that. He said that I know that it is not my tiger. But you might at least take a suggestion. What I am giving a suggestion, you can accept it now. I remember your tiger very well, said the keeper. I do remember your tiger very well. He died 2 months ago. What is it? Is what he brought and left in the zoo, no? Before 6 months. It died before 2 months only. Died, exclaimed grandfather. Grandfather got very much surprised by hearing this, saying that that one who left in the zoo before 6 months, it was died. He got shocked. Yes sir, of pneumonia. Pneumonia means a type of cold disease. Pneumonia means cold disease. Cold disease. This tiger was trapped in the hill only last month and it is very dangerous too. So what he is saying, your tiger, what the tiger you brought and left, no, it died because of pneumonia, and this was trapped, caught in a hills last month only, and it is very dangerous also. Grandfather could think of nothing to say. The tiger was still licking his arm with increasing relish. But grandfather don't know to say anything. It is still catching his hands and licking. Grandfather took what seemed to him an age of withdraw his hand from the cage. Now grandfather is getting little bit nervous because it is another one, that one he brought and left. So he want to take back the hand. With his face near the tiger, he mumbled, "Good night, Timothy." So went little bit closer and he uttered, "Timothy, good night," and giving the keeper a scornful look, walked briskly out of the zoo. He has seen in a surprised look and went out of the zoo. This is a story I think you all understood. So thank you children. This is the lesson explanation. In the next lesson we are going to have notes regarding this lesson. Thank you.